Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, is a technology that allows devices to connect to the internet and communicate with each other wirelessly using radio frequency signals. It enables the creation of local area networks, LANs, without the need for physical cables, providing convenient and flexible internet connectivity for a wide range of devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and other Wi-Fi-enabled devices. Key aspects of Wi-Fi technology. Wireless Local Area Networks, WLANs. Wi-Fi technology enables the creation of WLANs, allowing devices within a specific area to connect to the internet and communicate with each other without the need for physical cables. This is especially useful in homes, offices, public spaces, and other environments. Radio frequency communication. Wi-Fi uses radio frequency signals to transmit and receive data between devices. These signals operate in the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands, providing different channels for communication. The 2.4 GHz band is commonly used and more crowded, while the 5 GHz band offers additional channels and less interference. Access points. Wi-Fi networks are typically created using devices called access points, APs, or routers. Access points serve as the central hubs that transmit and receive data between devices and the internet. Routers often combine the functions of a modem for internet connection and an access point. Wi-Fi standards. Wi-Fi operates based on standards set by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE. The standards define specifications for data transfer rates, security protocols, and compatibility. Common Wi-Fi standards include 802.11b, 802.11 grams, 802.11n, 802.11ac, and 802.11 AX, Wi-Fi 6. Data encryption. To secure wireless communication, Wi-Fi networks use encryption protocols such as WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy, WPA, Wi-Fi Protected Access, and WPA2, WPA3. These protocols help protect the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the network. SSID, Service Set Identifier. An SSID is a unique identifier for a Wi-Fi network. When connecting a device to a Wi-Fi network, users select the network by its SSID. Some networks are open and do not require a password, while others are secured with a password. Authentication and handshaking. Devices connecting to a Wi-Fi network undergo an authentication process. This involves the exchange of information between the device and the access point to establish a secure connection. The process may include the use of a pre-shared key, password. Mesh Wi-Fi networks. Mesh Wi-Fi is a technology that uses multiple access points to create a seamless and robust wireless network. This is particularly useful in larger spaces where a single access point may not provide sufficient coverage. Wi-Fi Direct. Wi-Fi Direct allows devices to connect to each other directly without the need for an access point. This is useful for peer-to-peer communication between devices, such as transferring files between smartphones. How Wi-Fi enables wireless internet connectivity. Network setup. A Wi-Fi network is set up by installing an access point or router, which is connected to the internet via wired connection, usually broadband. The access point broadcasts a Wi-Fi signal within its range. Device connection. Wi-Fi-enabled devices, such as smartphones or laptops, search for available Wi-Fi networks. Users select the desired network from the list of available networks and enter the necessary credentials if the network is secured. Data transmission. Once connected, devices can transmit and receive data over the Wi-Fi network. This includes accessing the internet, transferring files between devices, streaming content, and more. Wireless range. Wi-Fi networks have a limited range determined by factors such as the power of the access point, obstacles in the environment, and interference from other electronic devices. Range extenders or mesh Wi-Fi systems can be used to expand coverage in larger areas. Continuous communication. Devices on a Wi-Fi network engage in continuous communication with the access point. The access point manages data traffic, ensures secure connections, and facilitates the seamless transfer of data between devices and the Internet. Wi-Fi has become an integral part of everyday life, providing the convenience of wireless Internet connectivity for a wide range of devices. Its flexibility and ubiquity have made it a standard feature in homes, businesses, public spaces, and various other environments, enabling users to stay connected and access the Internet without the constraints of physical cables.